bike. It's a 125. Yeah, try and get it running today, do a few videos. Please watch. Just get a screwdriver, I'll get you sat down and we'll take the pot off and see what it's like inside. But it's just very dirty on the outside, well, in there there's a lot of dirt. Right, I'll sit you down. What do you reckon, guys? Dirty? I reckon all the jets are blocked. There was 0 petrol in the tank, so either it evaporated, went funny, or they actually drained it first. But even with nothing in there, you can get some corrosion. Right, let's have a look. Oh, it's not coming off. Only 2 screws, this one. Nice. Oh, wow. Look at the state in there. Let's pick you up for a second. God, it smells like nail varnish. Look at that. It's like bloody biscuits. Breadcrumbs. That's really bad. That's not... This bit isn't as bad as I thought it was going to look in there. Like the float's quite clean still.